Hi, I am Krishna Prasad Gangarazu. If you like my teaching, then subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Okay? So now I am going to explain fourth question of 3.3 exercise in polynomials. Verify that 1 comma minus 1 comma 3 are zeros of polynomial x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3 and check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. This is one of the most important question. Same model in example also there. So you have to practice that example. So what I told here, follow the same procedure. In example that is very shortcut, very little bit. So you have to follow what I told here, this procedure only. Okay. So I had to check 1 minus 1, 3 are zeros of the polynomial. What is the meaning of zero of the polynomial? If I substitute x in place of x 1, this entire value is 0, then I say that this is zero of the polynomial. If 0 is not k means this is not zero of the polynomial. If 0 k means this value is zero of the polynomial. This is only the secret. One of the easy question. But this is little bit difficult. So first one, let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. So take x is equal to 1. So p of 1 means 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3. 1 cube means 1 minus 3 into 1 square means 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 3. What is the value of minus 1 plus 3? Different signs. We have to separate them. So plus 2, bigger number sign. So here 1 minus 3 plus 2. Plus 1 minus 3, different signs. I have to separate them, bigger number sign. Plus 2 is equal to 0. So 0. So 0 came. Therefore, here, 1 is 0 of polynomial. So I am taking x is equal to second value minus 1. P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus x value minus 1 plus 3. Here odd number. So minus will remain same. 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1. Here minus 3, even number. Minus will become plus. 1 square means 1. Here nothing is there. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 3. Here minus 1 minus into plus minus 3 ones are 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 0. Therefore minus 1 is 0 of polynomial. Minus 1 is 0 of polynomial. So next, x is equal to 3. P of 3 is equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 3 plus 3. Simply I am putting the value 3 in place of x. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Minus 3 into 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. Minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled. So 27 minus 3 nines are 27. That is equal to 0. Therefore, 3 is 0 of polynomial. Okay. So these three are the zeros of the polynomial. Next, I have to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay. So 1 0 comma alpha is equal to 1, second 0 comma beta is equal to minus 1, third 0 comma gamma is equal to 3. Here this is cubic polynomial, so it has 3 zeros. So sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 3. So 1 plus into minus 1 plus 3. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, opposite signs. So 3. So answer 3 came. So leave some space, otherwise do in rough work. So already you know the formula. Sum of zeros is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, already you know very well, minus b by a. Minus b by a means minus, here b means x square coefficient. X square coefficient by a means x cube coefficient. So this is it. I am coming in reverse order. So here minus, what is the value of b? B value is minus 3. Okay, put a bracket by a value 1. So this one, minus into minus plus 3 is there. Denominator 1 means there is no value, because when divided with 1, answer will not change. So simply I am putting 1. So I am remaining 1. So minus into minus plus 3. So answer is over. So next step we have to write like this, after that this. So second one, sum of products of two zeros, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, I multiply 2. So what is the value of alpha? 1. 1 into beta value minus 1. So plus beta value minus 1, gamma value into 3 plus gamma into alpha. Gamma value 3, alpha value 1. So that is equal to plus into minus 1, plus into minus 3, plus 3 ones are 3. So minus 3 plus 3 will get cancelled, minus 1. So this is sum of the product of zeros. I have to verify the relation. So relation means we have to come down. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to, already you know the formula, C by A. C by A means here C means x coefficient. X coefficient by x cube coefficient. X cube coefficient, that is equal to C by A. Here C means what is the value here? Minus 1. A means 1. See, these two are equal. Minus 1, minus 1. In denominator 1 is there. No value for 1. Simply I am writing due to the reason of this to get the relation. So therefore this is 1. So third one, product of zeros alpha, beta, gamma is equal to, I will to multiply all the three. 1 into minus 1 into 3, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. So minus 3 answer. So you do the same procedure. So alpha, beta, gamma is equal to, what is the formula? Minus d by a. Minus d means constant. Minus constant by x cube coefficient is equal to minus constant. What is constant here? 3 by x cube coefficient means 1. 1. See, minus 3, minus 3. 1 means 1. So this is the procedure. So one of the important question, this one, example is there. So in these two, 25 to 50% chance is there to come in exam. So you have to prepare this question, very, very important, very most important question. So if you like my teaching, then subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching.